In today's short video, we're going to be teaching you guys how to install a catch can on any car, including yours if you own one. So the parts you'll need is a catch can. Now these range from anywhere from $20 to $2,000. Depending on what one you want to buy, you can get whatever one you want. You need one. So when buying a catch can, one thing you should know is that there are vehicle specific catch cans, but you can buy like a universal one like I bought. This one, I just got this on off Amazon for like $40. And it's gonna work just perfectly on this Japanese crafted piston bangy thingy. The quality is actually quite nice on this thing for like $40 Canadian. So I'd say if you need a catch can, go get one of these, but I haven't tested it out yet, so don't buy one yet until I'm done with the video, and then I'll tell you if you actually should. You can hear the quality in that right there. So step one, which is the easy step, is, wait, what was it again? Step one is figuring out where to put your catch can, and step two is figuring out how you're gonna mount it. You can use anything from rivets to JB Weld to bolts, deck screws. That's the one. It came into my mind last second. But yeah, figure out where you're gonna put it and where you're gonna mount it. Make sure nothing is gonna be okay. We decided that the ideal mounting location for this catch can will be right here. So this bracket's gonna sit there. We did some custom fabrication to the specific bracket, and it's gonna go right there. It's gonna sit all nice and straight and not crooked at all, I think. PCB runs from here for your positive crank. Goes from there, it's gonna go there, and then this one here, gonna block that off on the intake manifold. It's gonna go back around here into there, and that's how you do it. We decided the easiest, I decided the easiest way to get this installed is to use riv nuts. We got some Planters fresh roast peanuts spacers in there, and we're gonna just quickly drill a pilot hole in the car, and then kabam, get these riv nuts in there. All right, now we gotta install the riv nuts in these holes we just drilled out into the firewall. So we got this riv nut tool. We're gonna install those in the holes we just drilled, and we chose riv nuts because they're riv nuts. Riv nuts are good. So this goes into the hole we just drilled, and you spin it, and which makes this piece expand, and it gets stuck in the hole. And there's threading on there, so you thread the screws, the bolt, the nut in there, and it works. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Now all we gotta do is bolt this thing on, and we can get to the running the hoses from the PCB to the catch can. We found some hose that's the right length, and we quickly went over it with some heat tape, just like basically just a little bit thicker aluminum foil tape, just because it's going to be going over from there to there, but that goes over my manifold and my downpipe. So just to make sure it doesn't melt or anything, and it does look better than just this clear hose. I'm going to wrap this one too so they match, and then we'll get that threaded in, and then that'll be done. We finally got it installed. It's installed. Now if you're wondering what is the point of installing a catch can, there's lots of different uses. You can watch other videos on that. There's tons of different uses why you would want to install a catch can, from direct injection to help with carbon buildup. They do look cool, but that's not the reason why you want to install one. Yeah, you'll see them in a lot of people like Honda Civics. Because the more tubes you have, the better. But in my case, the reason why I installed it is because the PCB ran into the intake on the stock twin. So when you convert it to single turbo, what they do is, they give you this little filter that's supposed to go onto that positive crankcase ventilation on the left side. That's where this is supposed to go, but it doesn't really look that good, and it's kind of like not the greatest quality. Yeah. The turbo kit actually does come with the correct fitting for it. So this would go onto the intake. You have this, which is for, you would just run that hose into here. The catch can is installed. I think it looks quite good, other than that one hose that kind of kinks really badly going back there. So if you're gonna install one of these on your car, don't do what I did, but yeah, I'm happy with it. It's gonna work for what I want it to do, just crankcase ventilation. So that is how you do it. Congratulations, you've done it. Make sure that you like and you comment and you subscribe, and we'll bring you more videos like this in the near future, but hopefully better. Or we won't improve, and we'll just keep on sending out videos how they are. Goodbye. Enjoy your day. Good morning.